Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just fix your app crash problem or WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, any crash problem, how you can just solve it. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like the video for more videos. So let's start. So first you have to just go to the settings option in your smartphone, then go to apps, or you can just search it over here. Just click on apps, app management. You can see there are a lot of apps. Facebook, which app is not working, just click on it and you can see there is a option data usage. Just turn off the background data, and you can also see storage usage. You can also clear cache of your it will helps the app to work faster and in easier way. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.